what's going on, guys? Be ready here. Meat. It's just that I love making this content for you. It's just too much for me. Yeah, my phone is about to die. But I like making good content for you, but it's just that it's really hard to do so whenever you're doing school. I fucking hate school. This is just freaking horrible. Well, the first video I posted of this, it was 1 second long, so I had to delete the video. So you guys won't be able to see my videos, so this is technically going to be my part 1. So, yep. Oh my god, that was a good wheelie. I mean, I know I only have a 650 powered monster truck, but once I get 150 money, tell me in the comment section below. Tell me which truck you want me to buy for 150,000. Okay, guys? Or if I get 200,000, tell me what truck you want me to buy. What's your favorite monster truck? Because I love you guys to put those comments in the comment section. And if you want to like this video, give it a like. Get me up to like 50 likes and 100 or 1,000 views. But yeah, good thing I have no face cam because I am shirtless, so I am just talking without face cam, so you won't be able to see my face. Only in vlogs you would see my face. So don't worry. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.